Which RGB gaming RAM is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, G.Skill Trident Z RGB. First up is the G.Skill Trident Z RGB Series DDR4 RAM. Priced at $249.99, this kit caught my eye with its stunning design and impressive 3,600 metric tons per second speed. If you want high performance combined with jaw-dropping RGB lighting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 32 gigabytes total capacity means you can multitask like a pro, whether you're gaming or editing videos. With a data transfer rate of 3,600 MHz and Intel XMP 2.0 support, you're looking at solid performance that's easy to set up. The low CL18 latency ensures faster response times in gaming, letting you react quicker in those intense moments. Plus, with a whopping 4.8-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews, plenty of users are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for DDR4 RAM. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about gaming or resource-heavy tasks, the performance justifies the cost, especially with the added aesthetic of RGB. This is perfect for you if you need a solid combination of speed and style in your gaming rig. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but for the performance, it's a great value for your money. Now, if G.Skill's price tag gave you pause, the next option might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. At $279.99, this RAM is slightly pricier, but it's worth every penny for RGB lovers. If you're looking for dynamic lighting and reliable performance, this is your go-to. What's special here is the dynamic multi-zone RGB lighting with 10 ultra-bright LEDs per module. This means you can sync the lighting effects with other Corsair products through their ICUE software, creating an immersive atmosphere. With a data rate of 3,200 MHz and CL16 latency, it's optimized for peak performance on Intel and AMD systems, giving you that edge in competitive gaming. The 4.8-star rating from over 8,700 reviews speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. Now, some users did mention compatibility issues with non-Corsair motherboards. But let's be real, if you're investing in quality RAM, you're likely building a system that supports it, so that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy aesthetics and performance equally. Skip this one if RGB isn't your thing, but for those who love a flashy build, it's a solid investment. Next up, we're stepping into the DDR5 territory with something a little more powerful. Product number 3, Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5. Now, let's talk about the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, priced at $469.99. This one genuinely surprised me with its performance capabilities. If you want top-tier speed and stunning aesthetics, take a closer look. With speeds up to 6,000 MHz and a CL36 latency, this RAM is designed for the hardcore gamer or content creator. The dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting means you will get stunning visuals from any angle, paired with onboard voltage regulation for stable overclocking via ICUE software. It's optimized for the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards, ensuring you're future-proofing your build. Plus, with 4.8 stars from 4,000 reviews, people are clearly impressed with this kit. Now, some concerns arose about the need for BIOS adjustments to reach maximum speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable tweaking a few settings, the payoff is huge in terms of performance. This is perfect for you if you want the latest technology and don't mind spending a bit more for it. Skip this one if you have an older system, as this may not be compatible with older boards, but for the cutting-edge setup, it's worth considering. Continuing with the DDR5, we have another option that might just catch your eye. Product number 4, Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 16 GB. Alright, that was impressive. Next, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 16 GB kit, retailing at $259.99. If you're looking for a solid DDR5 option without breaking the bank, this might be the sweet spot. With speeds of up to 5,200 MHz and a CL40 latency, it's designed for users who want reliable performance without the highest price tag. The 10-zone RGB lighting is just as vibrant as its bigger brother, and you can customize the effects through the ICE software. It's rated highly with a solid 4.7-star rating from around 1,700 reviews, indicating good user satisfaction. This RAM should perform well for both gaming and general use, making it a versatile choice. However, some users pointed out that the CL40 latency is a bit higher than some competitors. Here's the thing. If you're not pushing your rig to the limits, you probably won't notice the difference in everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between functionality and aesthetics at a more reasonable price. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute top-tier speed, but for an all-around good performer, it's a great pick. Finally, we have a high-end option from G.Skill that might just blow your mind. Product number 5, G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB. Moving on to our last pick, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB, priced at $599.99. If you're ready to go all out, this RAM is a showstopper. If you want the best of the best in terms of performance and style, don't miss this. With a data rate of 6,000 metric tons per second and a CL30 latency, this RAM is absolutely top tier. Its RGB lighting is stunning, and it supports AMD Expo profiles for easier overclocking. This RAM is designed for gamers and creators who need peak performance and stunning visuals. The 4.8-star rating from 1,500 reviews reflects its quality and effectiveness. However, the price is indeed steep, and some might argue it's not worth it for casual users. But let's be honest, if you're building a high-performance rig, you'll appreciate every bit of speed this RAM provides. This is perfect for you if you demand high performance for gaming or content creation. Skip this one if you're on a budget or not planning to utilize its full potential. But for those who want the best, it's a worthwhile investment. So there you have it. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB offers stunning visuals and solid performance, while the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro gives you dynamic lighting and reliability. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 brings top-tier speed for serious users, and the DDR5 16GB kit balances functionality and price. Finally, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo is a powerhouse for those ready to invest. No matter your choice, you can't go wrong with any of these RAMs.